Hi, first grade. This lesson is for Foundations, Unit 4, Week 1, Day 4. Our learning goal is I can spell and read first grade words with digraphs, bonus letters, and trick words. Let's start with our drill sounds warm-up. I'm going to say the letter, keyword, and sound, and you echo me. W-H, whistle, W. C-H, chin, ch. S-H, ship, sh. T-H, thumb, th. C-K, sock, k. Now let's practice our short vowel sounds. A, apple, a. E, ed, e. I, itch, I. O, octopus, aw. U, up, Now let's review our trick words. Today I'm going to introduce two new trick words to you. I'm going to read a sentence and we will find the trick word in the sentence. I had fun. Remember, boys and girls, trick words are not words that we can typically sound out. I just circled our trick word. I'm going to read the sentence again. I want you to see if you can read the trick word too. I had fun. Good job. This sight word there was I. You would use this word if you're talking about yourself. Now, remember, it is always an uppercase I when you're using this. Sometimes in your reading, you'll notice that it looks like it does over here, and there aren't lines on the top and the bottom. That's just my fancy computer font. You'll notice that sometimes, but it still means that it is an uppercase I. But when you write it, please make sure you write it like this, with a top and a bottom. So this sight word is I. I'm going to change the word I in this sentence, and we will learn a new trick word. They had fun. I'm circling the trick word here, and I'm going to read the sentence again, and I want you to see if you can read the trick word. They had fun. The trick word there was they. T-H-E-Y. They. You would use this word if you were talking about other people, like they came to my birthday party. Let's review some of the trick words that we've already learned. Your, and, you, his, of, as, has, for, she, or, into, me, we. Good job. Now I'm going to dictate some words and a sentence to you. For this activity, you're going to need your Foundations dry erase board. Feel free to hit pause while you get the materials and hit play when you're ready to follow along with me. Let's get started. The first word you're going to spell is bell. Let's tap it out together. B-E-L, bell. Hit pause while you spell the word and hit play when you're ready to see my answer. Here's how you spell the word bell. B-E-L. Now we know that L is one of our bonus letters. Because it comes at the end of the word and it's after a short vowel sound, we know that we're going to use two L's here. Please make sure that you put a star on top of your bonus letters. Good job. Let's do another. This word is tell. Tell. Let's tap it out. T, e, ol, tell. Spell the word and hit play when you're ready to see my answer. Here's how you spell the word tell. T, e, ol. Tell. Did you mark your words? Hope so. There should be a star on top of your bonus letters L, L. You can erase your board. The next word we are going to write is mass. Mass. Let's tap it out together. M-A-S. Mass. Spell your word and hit play when you're ready to see the correct answer. Here's how you spell the word mass. M-A-S. Mass. Notice I have S's at the end. I had to put 2 S's because S's are one of my bonus letters. So our bonus letters are F, L, and S. Because it came after a short vowel sound and because it's at the end of the word, I knew that I needed a bonus letter. Don't forget to star your bonus letters. You can erase the word mass, and we're going to write one more word together. The word we are going to write is puff. Puff. Let's tap it out together. Puff. Spell the word puff and hit play when you're ready to see the correct spelling. Here is how you spell the word puff. Puff. I use 2 F's because F is one of my bonus letters and it comes at the end of a word and after a short vowel sound. Don't forget to star your bonus letters. Good job, first graders. Now we're going to move on to a sentence. The sentence we are going to write is, I will huff and puff up this big hill. I will huff and puff up this big hill. I will huff and puff up this big hill. I will say the sentence one more time for you. I will huff and puff up this big hill. Hit pause while you work on this and hit play when you're ready to see my answer. Okay, first grade, I hope everyone wrote the sentence, I will huff and puff up this big hill. Before I give you the answer, I want you to point to each word as I read it, just to make sure you didn't forget any words. I will huff and puff up this big hill. Did you start with an uppercase letter? Sure hope so. Did you end with punctuation? Good job. Now here's my answer. I will huff and puff up this big hill. I will huff and puff up this big hill. There are a lot of words in the sentence with bonus letters. Let's take a second and mark all of our words with bonus letters. So I see the first one here is will. So I'm going to star that. The next one is huff. So there are 2 F's. And puff as well. And of course the word hill. Make sure that you use the correct sight word I. It should be an uppercase I. And make sure you ended your sentence with punctuation. Hit pause if you need to fix anything in your sentence, or hit play if you want to move on with me. All right, first grade, before we finish today, I have one last question. What always has to come before a bonus letter? We talked about this yesterday, but I thought it was important to talk about it again today. I gave you a big hint yesterday. What always comes before a bonus letter? It's a kind of vowel. Make sure you talk to a friend about it in class. Keep up the good work.